Welcome to On Chemistry. This is physical chemistry series, group theory with 3D animation. Here carbon monoxide molecule is given. You have to find the point group of the molecule. Carbon monoxide is a different molecule. It's a molecule of linear form with lone pair with unbonded electron and double bond. Simply, we can call it as linear molecule with heteroatom. It is like simple HCl. So heterodiatomic molecule means you have C infinity axis. So it has C infinity and sigma v plane. What is C infinity here? C infinity means for every rotation you will have the same molecule again and again. So along the bond, if you rotate it, you will get the same molecule. And you have plane of symmetry which is parallel to the C infinity, so it is called sigma v. So C infinity and sigma v, if you have mean it's a C infinity point group. The concept you have to learn here is CO molecule is linear, the point group is C infinity v. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.